This new A+ content importer is free and improves your sales. Let me show you how it works. So A+ content on Walmart looks something like this. You scroll down and you're going to see about the brand. And it looks really nice and it does increase sales and credibility. So keep that in mind. Now on Amazon, it's going to look like this. When you scroll down, it looks almost the same. And if you have premium A+ content, it's going to look premium on Walmart. So you can, if you know the difference between regular and premium A+ content, but what you're going to do is go to Optimized.ai. There is a link in the description. If you want to click on that, I do not get any commission, but you can sign up for free. Once you sign up, you're going to sync your Walmart account and it's going to sync all of your listings, right? It is free to do this. And then what you're going to do is all your products right under here are going to show up. It usually takes 24 hours after you sync your account, but all of your listings are going to show up. You just click on one of your listings, right? Like this one, and it's going to say this and click enhanced brand content right here. So you're going to click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to automatically take you down here where it says paste your ASIN. So you can paste your Amazon ASIN right here. It's going to automatically take all the A+ content from Amazon and then pick it and plug it to Walmart. And that's exactly what Sprite does, right? So Sprite, they go to Amazon, they click this, they copy the ASIN, and then they had the listing already created on Walmart. And then what they're going to do is just paste this ASIN right here. Click I own this and then click import. Even if you don't own it, I haven't seen anybody getting in trouble for this. They just have to put this on this tool. And then they click import. And then after 4 hours, automatically on Walmart, you'll check the bottom and then it's going to show this. Sometimes it takes 10 minutes. Right? But it can take up to 4 hours for it to filter through. So that's going to be the easiest way in a couple clicks, 5 minutes or less. Click it, bring the Amazon A+ content over to Walmart. You can also create it from scratch. You can click the create button, but nobody's got time for that. Yes, you can put videos. You can also put links in the A+ content for Walmart. So there's a lot of eligibility and awesome things that you can do for this. It is free, I believe, for a certain number of brand. I think only 5 items you can have it for free for this tool. But this tool is partnered directly with Walmart. And I believe the owner of this tool used to work at Walmart. So you know it's pretty legit. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, comment what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. If you're a Walmart seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, creating or implementing your A+ content, got your back. Just contact us right below in the description. You can also schedule a call there. We do offer Walmart account management. We'll come in, we'll optimize all of your listings, get you the pro seller badge, help you increase your sales, and make sure you're saving time and money. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.